Hello and welcome to our instructional series of videos. In this installment, we're going to show you how to replace the battery in a mid-2012 13-inch MacBook Air. We've already gathered our materials, shut down the MacBook Air, and have placed it on a soft, static-free work surface. We're now ready to begin. The first thing to do is close your MacBook Air and flip it over. On the bottom are 10 5-point Torx screws to remove using your pentalobe screwdriver. The two center screws along the hinge edge are longer than the others, so let's remove those first. Then, remove the remaining 8 screws. You can now lift the bottom cover up and off. There's a snap in the center, so you may have to pull a bit to detach it. The battery connector is located here. To detach it, simply pull back on this plastic tab until the connector comes free. There are 5 Torx T5 screws holding the battery in the MacBook Air. First, remove these 3, which are longer. Then, you can remove the 2 shorter screws near the front. You can now lift the battery up and out of the MacBook Air. Set the new battery into the MacBook Air and make sure it lays flat in its bay. Then, replace the screws that hold it in place, starting with the 3 longer ones, followed by the 2 shorter ones. Finally, reconnect the battery by lining up the connector and simply sliding it back into its socket. You can now set the bottom cover back into place and press down near the center to re-engage the clip that helps hold the cover on. You can now replace the screws you removed earlier. Start with the 2 longer screws, which go in the center on the hinge edge. Then, replace the remaining 8 screws. You may now flip your MacBook Air over, open it up, and turn it on.